What's the meaning of closing time? Closing time. Closing time.
Closing time. Closing time. Closing time refers to the designated time when a business, establishment or event comes to an end and ceases to operate. This could be the end of the workday for a store, the conclusion of a party or gathering, or the final moments of a sporting event. It is often announced in advance and serves as a signal for customers or attendees to conclude their activities and leave the premises. Failing to adhere to the closing time may result in penalties, such as fines or legal consequences.